Welcome to Nigeria News Center. If today is your first time on this channel, please subscribe, like and share the video. This video shows how wicked our leaders are. The 2020 flood palliative that were given to Bayelsa state government were kept in a warehouse, and they refused to share this palliative to people. Today, people discovered where they kept the palliative and started looting all of them. Same thing happened during COVID-19, where palliative were kept in warehouses. How can our leaders be this wicked? Something that is meant for them to share to people, they will keep it, then later they will go and rebrand the thing and start selling it to people they're supposed to give it for free. This is bad and this is wickedness. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. To meet again in my next video. I will allow you guys to watch this video. Bye for now.
There's still plenty for inside here. Yes. Oh, yeah, okay. Palliative rice don't come out. Wait, so the rice is food.
The rice is food all of this place. The rice is inside, nothing, no other thing inside.
So how did they open the gates now?
We get Nigeria. Don't be small. Don't be small. We get people. Oh, my small man. These are not Karama Zulu. I